How to block someone on Rednote. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can block someone on Rednote. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be easily able to block someone on Rednote app. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application, and if you have not logged in, just go ahead and straight up log in. After that, head over to the user that you want to block out, for example this user right here. So let me just tap on that user and go to his or her profile. Just tap on their profile and you will be taken to their profile, and at the top you can find a three dot. You're going to go ahead and tap on it, and when you tap on it you can easily find this block section here. Just go ahead and do that, click on it, and you can find this confirmation. Just confirm it and that person will be blocked from your account. So these are the processes you may follow up. If you can't find the user here, you can go ahead and search for that user and you should be easily able to block by following the steps that I just told you. So therefore just follow out the method that I just told you and you should be able to block someone on Rednote. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.